Hello and welcome to this new edition of Inspirage Unscripted. My name is Sandeep Tigula and I'm your host today. In this 21st century, word of mouth has taken a new online form. Yes, you guessed it right. It's online social media, which is our topic for this edition today. Social networking, such as websites, such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn, helps you increase brand awareness and reach new customers. In today's topic, we are going to talk about online social media and how it can help to engage with our customers in this era. With me today to help address some of the most common questions on this topic, we have our team of experts from Inspirage CX practice. So let's get started with our first question without any delay. This is for Sudeep. Sudeep, could you please provide a brief background on today's online social media and the relevance of online social media to engage customers?
Yeah, uh, thanks, Sandeep. So, social media is a digital tool, where the users gets the ability to develop contents and share these contents to the public, right? So, when this information is shared, this pertains to any ideas, information, or it could be any forms of expression, right? So, the input or the feedback or the responses that is seeked out of these contents generally go a long way to help out developing products, getting those feedbacks for quality, right? So it kind of helps businesses to formulate a strategy and a plan together, right? And these contents on the social media also helps out to businesses to develop advertising, marketing, or branding for their products, right? So these are some of the key benefits, Sandeep, that I feel, and social media plays a very important role in any businesses, right? So without customer success, there'll be no businesses, right? And to sum it up, we have other benefits in involving social media, right? So to list out some of them could be the rapport with businesses, right? So rapport with the customer, right? So that's very important, right? Where we do not have in previous traditional methods, where the print media, we did not have a face to the for the advertising, right? We can build rapports, we can have the customer feel valued, right? So there are platforms which give businesses ability to give those business values. It could be in terms of customer branding, loyalties, where the loyal customers are given discounts or coupons, and all those platforms can give that flexibility for customers to be to the loyal customers, and of course win new customers as well in the process, right? So the building rapport with customers, giving more value to the customers, and of course the customer engagement, these also plays a very important role, where businesses are engaged with the customers. The feedback or the responses that are captured, a positive feedback on the responses goes a long way in making a business successful, right? And creating a brand value for businesses, right? Apart from this, I think we are looking at most key benefit is the customer service, right? When it comes to customer service, a bad customer service doesn't augur well for the businesses, right? It creates a denting impact for businesses in future, right? So a good customer service where there is a good interaction with customer helps build that relationship, and keeps businesses engaged, right? So to summarize, Sandeep, I think we are looking at rapport with customers. Customers should feel valued, keep the customers engaged, and improve communication, right, with the customer service, right?
Thank you, Sudeep, for your valuable insights. I'm pretty sure that this has given a quick overview for our listeners in terms of how social media currently is expanding and helping the customers globally deploy the CX solution to be able to help their businesses. Moving on to my next question, this is for Pradeep. Pradeep, how do you see the importance and benefits of social media in any customer engagement?
So talking about the social media, if you see today, people spend countless hours scrolling through the social media apps each day, And if you are not capturing their attention in their newsfeed, you might be missing out a lot. And that's where social media marketing has become an integral part of business, where everyone wants to have a digital presence into the market. Now, if you see, there are I can list down like a three key benefits which I feel are im- uh, provide a major benefit in terms of social media engagement. Right? First one is the bigger reach to the audience. Social media aims at a larger number of people that use social media regularly, and with this, it gives you a chance to reach out to more people at the same time and increase your brand awareness among them. Secondly, building trust for your brand. So people will view your post if you are posting regularly, which can greatly improve your social media engagement. People will start looking for your brand when they need to buy a product relevant to you, right? Where more people will be logging into and checking these. So when you get enough likes, shares, and comments, newcomers think that this is the post trustable and explore it more, and that's where more people will be attracted to your towards your business. Okay? Third is your improved search engine presence. So there is a correlation between social media and search performance. This means that the more likes and comments you get on your social platform, the more likely Google will be to signal and present a sizable traffic source to your channel. It can drive more referral traffic to your social media channels. Okay, and the last one, but not the least, which is the social media use of social media for getting the feedbacks. Right, social media is not all about just interacting with the people, but it's also being used for answering concerns, getting the feedback from your customer. Right, so this is where you have opportunity to interact with your customer, get the feedback from them, analyze them, and see that how you can improve and make your services better in terms of reaching out to your customer. Yeah. So that's what I would say, Sandeep. Digital presence has become a major key for all the businesses to show their digital presence into this marketing world, right? And that's what I see as a key benefit for the businesses in terms of reaching out to using the social media.
Pradeep, this is excellent, and thanks for sharing the benefits and importance of social media in engaging your customer. Moving on to my next question. This is for Manish Dixit. Manish, can you please tell us about some of the offerings provided by Oracle on the social media space?
Sure, Sandeep. So Oracle has their product called as Oracle Advertising and Customer Experience. That is a complete suite of applications that goes beyond the traditional CRM to help create, manage, and also serve, and also nurture the complete customer experience and relationships. So, in the broader perspective, the offering goes along in the advertising, marketing, sales, commerce, and service modules where in marketing we have Oracle Eloqua that integrates with Oracle Social Cloud that basically takes care of sending a campaign to a segmented audiences whomsoever are relevant to receive those kind of campaign and also take it to the another level of making those prospects into a customer in our Oracle Sales Cloud. Once that uh, once that is turned out to be a customer and they are facing any challenges, so they can reach out to the brand using the Oracle service module. So we have an offering available from Oracle side over there called as Oracle Digital Customer Service, which takes in the service requests that from various channels like your WhatsApp, your Facebook page, or maybe like you're tagging it on Twitter using hashtag. So that will turn out to be creating a service request into an Oracle Service Cloud from where the agents will try to connect with the customer and try to address their grievances. So that is like a end-to-end customer journey that starts off with an social platform and ends up like giving them the best services over social media, like on Facebook, WhatsApp, and whatever WeChat you can take. So everywhere you have an integrated solution available with Oracle, and we can integrate it very seamlessly using Oracle modules and the social media platforms.
Excellent. Thank you, Manish, for sharing some of the key information on Oracle offerings. Now, for my last question for today, this is a tricky one, but I would have two people answer to this. First, we will start off with Sudeep and then we'll move on to Pradeep. So, the question over here is how Inspirage as an organization is helping its clients in the area of social media, and talk about some of Inspirage's initiatives in this area and success stories, if you may.
We have built a platform, Sandeep, where one of our customers on high tech client is planning to use this platform. So this is a website where we have the customer service features functionalities enabled for quoting, service request management, document management, and order status tracking. Right. Apart from this, we have built capabilities like looking up for the installed assets. It could be equipments or other components that they have installed at these locations. So it gives you a bunch of features, functionalities around customer service, right? So quoting being very important for any businesses, right? So with the system gives seamless integration between CPQ and the portal, where the spares can be looked up for, the specific customer pricing can be derived, and based on the MOQs, businesses can look up for the specific parts, components, and order those components. Look up for the get the quotes. Seamlessly get those quotes and look at those quotes and review those quotes, right? And at any given point they can come back to this platform and look up for the respective quotes, the past history of those quotes, and convert those quotes into order, right? So whenever they're ready, businesses can convert those quotes into an order, and it gives them good visibility of all the order life cycle, right? So the progress of the life cycle is captured, and it is made visible on the platform, where the customer don't have to call the customer service to get this info, right? So they can go to the portal and look at what point is the order has progressed in the life cycle, right? So there are all features, functionalities that has been built, where they can track the shipments. It is integrated with FedEx. They can look up for the FedEx shipments that has been shipped, and also and quoting being a critical component, this has been a seamless integration between order management, CPQ, and portal, right? Apart from this, the platform that we have built for the customer gives them visibility for creating service requests, right? So whenever the components have issues, they can look up for the information in the portal and create a part replacement request, and the part replacement request can be processed to the Fusion Cloud applications. We leverage the backend applications from Fusion Cloud to create those service requests, and track all those service requests all the way to closure, right? So uh, there are a lot of other features around on the service request front, where they can not only look at logistics side. We have built capabilities to create service requests from field service. So if there is a request coming in from the field, there are certain products which cannot be sent to depot. In those cases, businesses can leverage the service request functionality within the platform to create the service request for field service, right? And last but not the least, we have the document management section, where we have enabled the documents like articles related to specifications. It could be contents related into service manuals. All these contents are made available to businesses, to the respective customers who sign up for these, right? So there's a user management section too, where we can control who can look up for this information, have the businesses signed up for specific contents to be available for them, and they can be made available with ease, right? And they can pull up this information and look at all those latest versions of these documents, right? So the platform gives good visibility for customer service, and this can be integrated with CPQ, B2B service, subscription cloud, order management cloud, and PIM PDH. So it is seamlessly integrated to all these modules, and it's made available for the customer for the usage.
Thank you, Sudeep. Thanks for sharing your client experience and the journey for social media. Now, let's move on to another expert, Pradeep Kudale. Pradeep, do you want to quickly share about your customer experience and what Inspirage did, and how did the customer benefit from the online social media?
Sure, Sandeep. So, Sandeep, if you see, we have implemented Oracle Socials Cloud for one of automobile sector company, okay, which is based out of Saudi, and they were primarily into the repair and servicing of the automobile vehicles, passenger vehicles. Okay, they were primarily their prime focus for making use of Oracle Socials was to reach out to their customers to get to know the experience that the customer is getting in terms of getting their vehicles repaired from them or getting service from them. And also they wanted to make use of the socials for getting the ideas or making their campaigns out to their customers. Okay, and that's why they decided to go with this Oracle Socials Cloud. Now Oracle Social Clouds allows them to they can create their campaigns and they can spread it out to their customers. Okay, customers can provide feedback to them. They can slice and dice with this data. Oracle Social comes out with a very good set of dashboards which they can use to slice and dice the data to analyze that how their campaigns are actually doing in the market. Are the customers happy with their campaigns, or customers have any feedback in terms of how they can further improve on the campaigns, or what new campaigns they can go ahead and design, right? And also, when a customer takes the car out from the service centers, he must be spreading a word of mouth to the other customers or speaking to other people. And that's where the social media channels like Facebook, Twitters, these are used, where you can actually run a search through your customers based on the keywords and gather the information from these social platforms. And then you can build your dashboard, you can build reports to analyze the data to see that how what are the sentiments of the people, right? And what exactly you need to focus on or where you need to focus on. Okay, so that's where the social media has helped them to reach out to their customer at a very larger scale, because as you know, with their Facebook and Twitter, these are the channels where most people are surfing through, right? And social media or the social media is a cloud which can connect directly to that and get the information for you as required.
Thank you, Pradeep. That's an excellent insight into your story of, story for the customer. Now, folks, I think this is all the learnings that we had from some of our experts today on this topic of social media. As you can see over here, the experts have clearly said or shared their experience and how social media is helping to expand clients' applications beyond their CX applications, front end applications, or back end applications, and extend that to interact with customer on a daily basis to be able to get their feedback and be proactive in terms of engaging the customer and making sure that they are satisfied with the products or services that a company has to offer. And we look forward to meeting you again in yet another Inspirage Unscripted session. Thank you so much.